Hi, this is David Odell with Odell Complete Concrete. We just arrived on the job site. The homeowner already had dug this out, so this is a semi DIY project right here. He got it all prepped. All we have to do is put the form in here, and we're pretty much ready for concrete. Although the dirt's a little high still, so we're gonna have to take a little dirt out of there. We're gonna want it 3 foot wide, so we got to cut a little bit of grass out to allow for the form work to go in. Fortunately, my little skid steer's 3 foot wide, so I was able just to drive right along the side of this house and scoop out a little dirt, and it gave me the exact width that I needed. The bucket on the ground there, the tooth bucket, that's actually 42 inch, but my smooth bucket's 3 feet. And you can see how it fits in there really nicely. We're gonna kind of follow the contour of the lawn. That way our concrete's not below the lawn level. So it'll kind of crown up in the middle. All the water drainage will just end up going to the driveway. This is actually on the side of a detached garage. The steel stakes are line stakes, so stakes set to the inside of the form. That way it doesn't interfere with the 2x4 running on through. We threw a little bit of base in here also. It's crushed concrete. Wet it down, let it soak for a few minutes, and then we ran the plate compactor on it. But you could use this just with a manual tamper also for a job this size. We threw a couple of dowels in, fiberglass dowels. Made a call into C-Mix, concrete ready mix. And then we got a pumper out here. One call does it all. Alex Martin, Martin's Pumping, C-Mix Concrete. And here's a little bit of oil that I salvaged when I changed the oil on my truck. And that happens to be 100% Mobil 1 synthetic. Good for 12,000 miles. I'm stretching the mileage on it right now. Preserving some wood, saving trees. Those are fiberglass rods that you see there, 3/8 inch diameter fiberglass rods with an epoxy coating around it. That's the part that actually bonds to the concrete when it touches it. Reacts. You can't, if you were to break this out, you can't separate the rods from the concrete. It becomes an integral part of it. And they never rust, which is a really nice benefit. Especially in a wet, cold climate, these would be very useful, this system. And here's Tyler Odell, my son. He's gonna finish it out himself. This entire side here. Put the joints in there about every 5 feet. Hand tool joints. The joiner goes 3/4 of an inch deep, and it has a 1/2 inch radius on it. On the edge, we used a 1/2 inch edger, 1/2 inch radius, 6 inch wide hand edger. wood hand float. Then of course we've got the Odell trowel with the Odell engraved in the handle. This concrete mix is a 3250 psi straight cement. And what that means is there's no fly ash in this particular mix. So there's lots of cement. That's the good stuff. Now we have the 50% horsehair, 50% nylon broom. Really nice finish. That gives it a non-slip texture and nice and uniform all the way across. There it is, a beautiful finished product. We also stripped this right after the broom. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button, that way you'll get notified on my next upload. Thanks, have a good one.